as you can see, this is the middle and this is the positive input for the transformer, and here for the MOSFET driver, the drain and the drain, guys. As you can see, the wire, both wire and the positive, which is the middle, and here is our output, as you can see, guys. So we are going to plug our output here, and this is our circuit, the fan. So I'm going to connect the fan parallel to this input, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the input wire, the positive and the negative. So I'm going to connect these alligator wires to it, black to the negative and the red to the positive, guys. So I'm going to pass it through the back here. So we are going to connect it, tape it, then we test our project, guys. So guys, this is the positive. We are connecting it to the positive of our circuit. Positive input to red wire. So as you can see, guys, and here is the black wire. So I'm connecting it, and we are going to tape it to avoid short circuits. So guys, this is the output wire. So we've connected this, as you can see, guys, and here's our 12-volt battery, 3.7 in series, 10 amps, 10,000 milliamps, guys. So we are going to test it now. So and this is the positive. We are connecting it here. So this is our bulb, guys, 300 watts. Actually, this is 200 watts, guys. 100. See, it is working. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. So guys, this is 400 watts. 200 watt, guys.